Good morning, dear students. I have taught you already about the properties of multiplication of rational numbers. Today we'll solve a few exercise questions based upon those properties only. So the first one is fill-ups. Clearly see this fill-up question. I have taught you this property of distributive law. See, this was the property like this. If it is given in this way, then we have to multiply the two terms together, put the sign, whatever the sign is there in between, and then solve it further. Same way here, the property is given. We will multiply this by this, 5 upon 9 into 2 upon 7, then 5 upon 9 into 3 upon 7, then 5 upon 9 into 4 upon 7. I have done it here like this, and the property uses distributive property. Coming to the next, minus 7 into minus 8 upon 15 is equals to minus 8 upon 15 into minus 7. This is the associative property. Associative property indicates that the place does not matter in multiplication. Place, what does it means? Any numbers you can put on the first place, then in the second process you can put that same number in the second place, but the answer will be overall same. Coming to the next, state whether it is true or false. If practically you say, then it will be false. Why it will be false? Because for division only closure property holds true, rest all the properties are wrong. But as it is given, so we have to verify it. So let us solve it. LHS and RHS, correct? So 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 9, it is 3 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 7. As it is divided here, so it will be multiplied like this way, and this will be 3 upon 9 multiplied by 7 upon 2. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 6 upon 7, and here it will be 7 upon 6. So clearly you can see that LHS is not equals to RHS. As I have already told you earlier also, that for division only closure property holds true, rest all the properties are wrong. So it is false. I have proved it also. Now they are asking the property also, which property is being used. We have done it here, no? The places does not matter in multiplication, same here in division. In division the places matter, but the property used is associative property. I hope it is clear to you all. Coming to the next question is this one. See, this is done the grouping. Remember, grouping is for which identity? Grouping is for commutative. Commutative property. But as I told you, for division it also holds false. So practically we have solved it. Now let us solve it. So this is LHS and here it is RHS, correct? So 2 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 5 as a whole divided by 4 upon 11, and here it is 2 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 5 whole divided by 4 upon 11. So let us solve it. 2 upon 5, it is divided here, so multiply 5 upon 3. This will be also, let it be like this only. First let us solve the bracket. So 3 upon 5 multiplied 11 upon 4. I hope it is clear till here. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. You will get here 2 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 11 and 2 upon 5 divided by 33 upon 20. I hope it is clear till here. Now 2 upon 3 divide means multiply 11 upon 4, and again divide means multiply 20 upon 33. So 11 2s are 22, 1 is getting cancelled, 2 2s are 4. So here you will get 11 upon 6, and here you will get 5 4s are 20. So 4 2s are 8 upon 33. See, I have solved it fully here. As you can see here, LHS is not equals to RHS. As already I have told you that for division only closure property holds true, rest all the properties are being proved wrong. But then also, as it is given in the question, so we have to solve it. So I have solved it for you all. I am showing all the work for today. If you want, as I have told you earlier also so many times, you can copy all this work in your notebook, or else you just please see the video 2 or 3 times so that you can solve all the questions whatever I give you in the assignments without facing any problem. Thank you all.